Flower has the hiccups. Flower girl, you have the hiccups? All done?
This Brazilian wasn't afraid to think out of the box for his surgery.